Welcome to Atma Deepam Inner Life, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to guide you on this peaceful journey. Your presence here not by chance, it's your soul's gentle reminder that you are ready to return home to calmness, clarity, and inner peace. Ask yourself, when was the last time you have truly felt still? Not distracted, not rushing, just present. In today's world, peace has become a treasure hidden beneath the noise. But the truth is that peace never left you. It's right here within you, waiting to be remembered. In this meditation, we will explore 5 simple spiritual practices that can gently bring you back to your natural state of balance and serenity. You don't need any experience, only your breath, your awareness, and an open heart. So find a comfortable position. Relax your shoulders and close your eyes. Let's begin this sacred journey within. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Again, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel your breath as a soft wave entering and leaving. With each breath, you become lighter, calmer, clearer. Allow your thoughts to drift by like clouds in the sky. There is no need to chase them, just watch and let them go. This awareness, pure, simple and powerful. When you rest in awareness, you realize you are not your thoughts, you are a stillness that observes them. And in that stillness, peace blooms. Now, imagine yourself standing in a quiet forest. Soft sunlight filters through the leaves above you. A gentle breeze touches your skin, carrying a scent of earth and life. You feel safe here, grounded, whole. Nature is the reflection of your soul, calm, patient, alive. When you walk mindfully, feel each step as a prayer to the earth. Every leaf, every sound reminds you you are part of something divine. You are connected to all that exists. Now bring your attention to your heart. Place your hand gently over your chest. Feel your heartbeat steady and strong. Now repeat these affirmations softly within yourself. I am calm. I am centered. I am peace. I am guided by light. Each word carries energy, a vibration that reshapes your inner world. Affirmations are the seeds of peace. With every repetitions, they grow stronger. And soon peace becomes your natural state. Now take a moment to think of something you are thankful for. It could be the morning sun, the kindness of your friend, or simply the gift of being alive right now. Gratitude is a bridge to peace. It shifts your focus from what's missing to what's already beautiful. Now let that gratitude expand outward. Send it to your loved ones, to people you have met, and even to those who challenged you. Forgiveness and compassion cleanse your heart, creating space for deeper peace to flow in. Let your heart glow softly with understanding. Now focus on your inner flame, your Atma Deepam, the sacred light within your chest. With every breath, this golden flame shines brighter. It illuminates your mind, your emotions, and every cell in your body. This is your divine spark, pure consciousness, untouched by source. Let this light radiate through you, filling the space around you with calm. Your peace, your love, your light. Now take one small, final deep breath in and slowly release it. Gently bring your awareness back to the present. Feel the surface beneath you, the air around you, the rhythm of your heartbeat. Carry this calmness with you as you move through your day. Remember, inner peace is not found, it is remembered. Whenever life feels heavy, close your eyes, breathe deeply, and return to this space of stillness within. Thank you for sharing this sacred moment with me on Atma Deepam Inner Light. If this session brought you peace, please subscribe to our channel and help spread light and calm to others. And tell me in the comments which moment made you feel calmness today. Thank you.